Hello, it is 1:30 a.m., way past my bedtime, but I have an update. Most of it, I'm going to be honest, is totally invisible, but I did a lot of work. I did a lot of work. Um, Basically just separating all of the logic uh, from the back end grid system from the front end, like game specific mechanics. So you're not going to notice most of it here. Um, but I do believe that these changes were like much for the better. Very, very much for the better. Um, if nothing else, just in that they simplify the process of creating new elements. Maybe not even simplify, but just make it a lot cleaner. Yeah, I think that's right. Making new elements is just a much cleaner process now. Um, and it's all done on the front end, like within the if you are making a game based on the back end grid system, you now are expected to define your different elements within your own package rather than having to find some way to fuck around in the back end grid engine system. Anyway, I'm not showing you code, so none of this really probably means anything. But as a nice little demonstration, uh, I literally spent, I think, a minute, maybe 2 minutes, uh, creating lava with mechanics that haven't existed before. And it was quite pleasant, actually. Uh, I had made uh, the eraser pretty quickly, but it wasn't like a pleasant process necessarily. Whereas this one I feel like was pretty intuitive, pretty clean, um, and I quite liked it. So, just to demonstrate, um, let's get a bunch of stuff going. We'll get like one of these and some smoke under there. And then we'll let it kind of overflow up there. Get some water down in here. And then lava will straight up just eat through fucking everything. Um, it's maybe a tad like powerful. Um, but if nothing else, just to demonstrate like see how slow that's going? See how quickly that, well, okay, I guess that's not like a fantastic demonstration. Um, oh, that's all stone. There we go. I would like to label these actually. Yes, let's put a bunch of water. See how quickly that levels out? And then lava. Um, I think if you calculated it, it would level out about half as quickly. Um, it's because I literally just divided the variable that I used for water in half. Uh, so like we have lava now. I think that's probably gonna stick around. Definitely gonna play around with it a little bit. I think we're gonna start having like chances for things to happen. Because instead of having lava just immediately eat through everything, I think I would like it to sit there and kind of like tick a few times before it uh, successfully eats through something, depending on potentially like hardness and stuff. And so it might take an extra second to eat through stone than it would through like anything else. But uh, we'll figure that out. This update has primarily been about just explaining what I've been doing, and I didn't even really get to demonstrate it, but I needed to get it out there because whew, a lot of work, a lot of work. Anyway, um, you know what we're gonna do is we're gonna take stone and we're gonna draw a happy face. And look, we can pour sand on it and it doesn't go anywhere. And we can pour water on it and it doesn't go anywhere. And we can put a bunch of smoke around it and it doesn't go anywhere. And then we can put lava and goodbye. Um, but I still want to have the happy face there, so yes.